Hi, I'm Ann Goyer with PCI's Powder Coating Week, scheduled for July 13th to the 16th at the Renaissance Orlando at SeaWorld. I've been working with PCI since 1988 when they launched their very first powder coating event. I have to tell you, I've always looked forward to these events and planning them. But this year, more than ever, I can't wait for the powder coating industry to be together again in Orlando. There are so many reasons that I think you should attend Powder Coating Week, but I want you to hear from PCI's Executive Director, Kevin Corson, on his thoughts on why you should join us. Good morning, Kevin.
Good morning, Ann. How are you doing today?
I'm good. I'm good. I can't believe it's just about 4 weeks till we all meet in Orlando for Powder Coating Week. I'm going to ask you a few questions and let us know your thoughts on why people should come. This is PCI's premier event every year. And can you share some information about the various events that are happening during Powder Coating Week? Because there's 3 distinct events.
Yeah, we have a number of events going on. It's 4 days long. The first 2 days are dedicated to the Custom Coater Forum, where we're featuring topics that are specific to the operations and business of custom coaters. There's both an operations and business side of it. If you are owner or manager of a powder coating facility, this is tailored for your businesses. We also have our 101 powder coating done right, the basics training workshop. That is a day and a half long for that first day. Again, for anybody new into powder coating, it's where you can learn all the basics, everything from powder all the way through the equipment. We also have 2 days of powder coating technical conference. We have 14 technical sessions, about 30 speakers. We have a keynote presentation on productivity by Connor Keenan. If you've never seen him speak, he is wonderful. He will actually get you very motivated and with a lot of good facts and things to be done. We will have some roundtable discussions, to talk about current business topics. We have also our final Troubleshooting Jeopardy. It will be a game where we're going to pit a few contestants together to see who can do the best. It should be fun and enjoyable. Also, we have tabletop exhibits with all our suppliers. We have over 50 suppliers that will have tables, be ready to talk to you about the latest and greatest or answer any of your questions.
That all sounds terrific. I know it's going to be a great week. Before you took on the role of PCI's executive director, you were on the other side. You were an exhibitor and a speaker. Tell us about the benefits you received by participating in the event before you took on this role.
I always loved PC Week just because, I got a chance to learn what was new in the industry. There's all these wonderful companies coming up with new ideas, and it was a way for me to gather knowledge in that. I also got to network with the powder coating industry experts. I always say I thought I knew a lot, but I know a lot of people know more than I do, and I wanted to learn from them. Also had a chance to meet with potential customers. I was a supplier to the industry. You always need a new customer to try and do something with. The other thing, I always checked out the competition to see what they were doing. So it was a little bit of fact finding for myself also.
And Kevin, tell me what kind of people you'll meet at Powder Coating Week.
The biggest thing I say is, and the number one that you'll find is you have all the industry experts that are going to be at this show. They're there to talk to you. They're there to share their knowledge. If you're new to the industry, you can find out the who's who by attending. If there is a new customer out there, or somebody that wants to either put in a new system, look at new chemicals, look at new powders, you have multiple suppliers there that you can talk to get your questions answered. And the big thing is, if you have an ongoing operations, it's the networking with all the suppliers to help you run your business better, keep it running at its best, and increase productivity and lower your costs.
And what about the networking with other attendees, colleagues that are also doing powder coating? I think there's a big value in being able to get together with people who are doing the same thing that you are. That happens at Powder Coating Week, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, it definitely. It's in between those times, and call it the afterwards. I always say meeting at the bar for a beer. You have a chance in a non-traditional sense to talk with someone. And it is amazing to find out how much you have in common as far as problems or issues. And just talking it through with someone else that's in your position, really gives you a chance to learn and to try something new. And again, a lot of these people look forward to getting together every year just to do that.
Excellent, excellent. And this definitely is a unique year. Can you tell me what makes the event this year unique from years past, in your opinion?
Well, we always expect to see a full cross section of powder coating users and industry suppliers. Again, number one, that will be the same. This exchange of information between colleagues and exhibitors, can have a very positive impact on the businesses. This also will be the first time in 18 months that everyone in our industry will have a chance to get together in person. We just had in early June our annual meeting, and people were anxious and looking forward to get together. I tell you, it was so wonderful to see people again in person, be able to shake their hand, talk to them about business. It was almost like seeing an old friend or a relative that you haven't seen in a long while. It was just wonderful to be together.
That's awesome. And I really think that's the feeling people are going to get when they come to Orlando. That same, we're back in business. Everybody's ready to get going again, learning again. So I want to thank you for being with us today. I want to remind everybody, if you go to www.conference.powdercoating.org, you'll be able to get all the information. You'll be able to register. Our hotel reservations have been extended or cut off until June 28th. So make sure that you get those reservations in now, so you get our group rate of $149. And Kevin and I both look forward to seeing you in Orlando next month. So thank you so much, Kevin, for being with us. And we look forward to seeing everybody soon.